Every guest is amazed. Stay tuned to see how I made this. It may look simple, but like many elegant dishes, the beauty lies in precision. For this recipe, I have some eggs, water to cook the eggs, some breadcrumbs, vinegar, all-purpose flour, some green crumbs, and of course pepper and salt to bring everything to taste. Welcome everyone once again to my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe and also turn on the notification bell to see more videos of this type. Thank you. I bring a pot of water gently to a boil with some vinegar. I lowered the eggs into the boiling water and cooked for about 6.5 minutes. I am using here a medium large eggs, but if you are using a large egg, you can cook it for 7 minutes, but make sure it is still running from inside. That is the trick here. After cooking, transfer the eggs into an ice cold water. This stops the eggs from cooking further. While the eggs are cooling down, now we move to the green herbs crumbs. For the green herbs crumbs, I am using parsley, but you can use any green herbs of your choice. Add some breadcrumbs to the green herbs. I season the crumbs with salt and freshly ground black pepper. The egg itself is mild, so the seasoning must be balanced, not overpowering. Then blend everything together to release the green herbs color to the crumbs. It should look like this. Make sure it's not too wet or too dry. It should look like what you see now in the video. The eggs are cold and I am peeling them and getting them ready for the breading. I can also feel that they are still running from inside. Please like and share this video with your friends and family or to whom it may be useful, because this helps the algorithm to recommend this video to more people on YouTube. Thank you. My name is Chef Vivian. My aim here is to share with you my love, passion and knowledge about French Belgian cuisine and modern gastronomy in general. If this is your cup of tea, please check out my channel for more amazing recipes that will help you cook fine dining meals in the comfort of your own home using simple ingredients you can find around you. Now we prepare for the breading. All the ingredients are ready for the breading: the flour, the egg wash, and the green crumbs. The egg is first lightly coated in flour. Shake off the excess. The flour helps the egg wash stick evenly. Then into the beaten egg. Make sure it's fully covered. And finally into the green crumbs. Press gently, not too hard, but firm enough so the crumbs attach evenly. I have here my little trick. I just move the bowl round and the green crumbs cover the eggs evenly, like you can see in this video. I continue moving it round and shaking it until every part of the egg is well covered. Look at the end result. It should look like this. I repeat the process until all the eggs are breaded. Now we have a beautifully coated egg, vibrant green, evenly covered. Before frying, I like to let it rest for a few minutes. This helps the coating settle and reduce the risk of cracking in the oil. Meanwhile, I heat the oil to 170 degrees Celsius. When the oil is ready, I gently lower the egg into the fryer. We fry just until golden and crispy. You can serve this as an appetizer. I am serving it here with a cocktail sauce and some microgreens. And on top of this, my green crumbs egg. How delicious is this? Everyone will be amazed and will be glad to receive this on their arrival to your dinner evening. Let me know in the comments below if you are going to make this and how you are going to serve this to your guests. Voila, reveal time is here. I am cutting the egg open using a saw knife because this will help in cutting it without breaking the crumbs. So I'm cutting the egg open. You should see that the egg is still soft from inside. Mission accomplished. Look at how beautiful and crunchy this look, and how you can turn a simple egg into a restaurant fine dining dish. Make sure to check out the next video on the screen to help you cook that delicious meal in the comfort of your own home.